Okay, so we're finished. Let's get this out. We're going to unload. And we're going to close up little Miss Joy and move her over there. And we have all these layers, all 4 layers are cut out now. All right, so move this over here. And now we're going to start with our card base, which is simply a piece of 8.5 by 11, cut in half at 5.5. And we're going to score at 4.25. The Joy does not score, whereas the Maker or the Explore family members do. This doesn't have the pressure to score. So we just let our trimmer do it. Works pretty easy. And now we're ready to put this card together. So we have this as our card base. And then we're going to add this. What's nice about these simple SVGs is they just give you all the, they're like puzzle pieces. You just pop them all in together, and that is how it's going to go. And then this pops right here ready to stamp. I could use a different Designer Series paper back here if I wanted even more. This is, I'm using the Whale of a Time. I pre-cut my paper and I put the little piece here, the little the tag off the wrapper that tells me what the colors are, so then I know what I'm working with and I can, it's super easy. But I have this kit with all my papers pre-cut, so it's super fast and easy to use. So I could use, those guys are a little busy. Oh, let's try one and see. I tend to be a clean and simple. I don't really like busy, but you know, like that might look okay back there. I could use that. So I'm going to cut that down to 4 by 5.25. By 5.25. If I wanted this behind there, but I'll let you see what it looks like so you can decide what you like. If you really don't like white space, then you probably would want to add a little something. And if you haven't watched me before, I work on this tile that I adore, but I need a little something because I don't have a smooth surface, and I tend to just use my piercing pad, which works great. So pop you down. Let's get our adhesive. And we're gonna put this down right here. Okay, there's that. Now we'll go back to this. And pop this on right on top. It's nice. And then depending on what you want, whether you want some dimension or not, I tend to put this guy down. But on a different card, I might try something a little different. I'm going to pop this down. It's has a built-in shadow for it. This little edging around here. And then this guy is going to go on with a dimensional or two. I love making cards with the Joy, and I think these little simple SVGs just make it look like you really worked hard on this card, and you really didn't. It was super easy to put these guys together. Put you down there, and then I'm ready to stamp right there. Let's see what we've got. I tend to be matchy-matchy, so I'm going to look for my whale stamp, but let's see what we've got. Yep, You're Kind of a Big Deal is going to look super cute on there. And because I put my papers here and I know which blue I want, I can look through and see, ooh, I want Balmy Blue. That's going to work better. If you're a matchy-matchy person, it just works better to have your names on there. And then you're not, but then you have to find them, and I'm still talking. Here it is. So Balmy Blue would be one. Ooh, Granny Apple Green might look even better right there. All right, so there's some Granny Apple Green. stamp. Oopsie, move you over, bring you back. Now, I could tell Miss Joy to do the writing if I wanted. I don't have to, but I can. It can write. So I could have done that if that didn't fit what I needed, but it did. So I'm going to pop this in, and we are good to go. Card complete. And it's really unique and different. And you are kind of a big deal. Happy card making. Talk to you soon.